Good afternoon everyone, my name is Bhupender Singh and I am an art teacher at Lotus Petal Foundation. Today I will teach you that how to make paper flower. So we need any colorful paper for the flower. I am using orange sheet. First we have to make a circle. So you can use any compass or round object, or you can use this technique which I am using. Just take your finger, put it on the paper and then just rotate it, and put your pencil in this and just rotate it like this. Then you get a perfect circle. You can see I have one circle, and then you have to cut it on the outline. You can just fold it so you got two circles in one time. Fold like this, and now when you cut, you got two circles. Cut on the line so you will get a circle. As you can see, now we have two circles. Now you have to cut it in a spiral shape like this. So start from a side and cut it like this, and slowly move it inside, so you will get a spiral shape. Now you can see I have a spiral shape. Now you have to just make a circle like this. Just rotate it and just completely rotate. Don't make it loose, just make it tight. When you rotate, and then in the end you have to apply some Fevicol and paste it. Apply some Fevicol over here, and then you can paste it. Just hold it 2 or 3 minutes and it will stuck. So you can see it's a look like a flower. So your one flower is ready. You can make another one. Same process, just make a spiral, cut like this. When you're done, start from the outside and fold it like this. Just leave it like this. Now you can apply some Fevicol over here and paste it. Hold for 10 to 20 seconds and it will twist up together. I can see the flowers are ready. Now we have to make some leaves for it. You can choose green sheet. We need one triangle, so just fold it and cut it. Cut a twig so we can get one triangle from this strip. Now you can see we have this strip, just fold it like this and cut it. So now we have a square paper, just cut it in a diagonal shape. Now you can see we have one triangle. Now we have to fold in a zigzag fold like this, first up and then down. So we have to repeat this step continuously until we reach to the end like this. And now you can apply some Fevicol on this part like this and just fold it like this. It will become a leaf for your flower. You can make one more. Just do the zigzag fold till the end like this. Apply some Fevicol on one end like this and then just fold it from the center and stick it together. So now you can see your leaves are ready. Now you can use this. So now we have our flower and leaves, so you can just paste it on any paper or on any card, and then you can use these flowers to decorate your handmade card. Just apply some Fevicol on the bottom and paste it together like this, and then apply some Fevicol over here and paste this sleeve also. So you can make different colors of flower, different colors of leaf, and you can paste it on a card or any book whenever you want, and you can decorate your things. I hope you enjoy this video. Try it yourself. Thank you.